Hello there. Today, we're diving into the world of business accounting, and don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's demystify accounting. It's not about complex equations or being a math whiz. At its core, accounting is simply about keeping track of what your business owns, what it owes, how much it's earning, and what you're spending. Think of it like being a detective for your business's money. You're following the clues to see where it's going and where it's coming from. We can break these clues down into categories like assets, liabilities, revenue, and expenses. Assets are the good stuff, the things your business owns that have value, like cash in the bank, that amazing laptop you're using, or even the equipment that keeps your business humming. Liabilities are what your business owes to others. Revenue is the exciting part. It's the money your business is bringing in from sales, services, or any other income streams you've created. Finally, expenses are the costs of running your business, like rent, utilities, marketing, and those delicious lattes that fuel your creativity. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about setting up an accounting system that works for you. And guess what? It doesn't have to involve mountains of paperwork or complicated spreadsheets. Thankfully, we live in a digital age with amazing tools that make managing your finances a breeze. Many small businesses, myself included, absolutely love using accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. These platforms are like having a virtual bookkeeper by your side, automating tasks like tracking expenses, sending invoices, and even reconciling your bank accounts. But even if you're just starting out and prefer a simpler approach, there are tons of user-friendly spreadsheet templates available online that can help you track your income and expenses. The key is to find a system that you understand, that fits your comfort level, and that you can stick with consistently. By choosing a system and committing to using it regularly, you'll create good financial habits that will serve you for years to come. This chapter is all about becoming best friends with your finances. And trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. The secret to financial clarity is simple. Track every dollar that flows in and out of your business. Think of yourself as a financial detective, meticulously documenting every transaction. By diligently tracking your income, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of where your money is coming from, which products or services are your star performers, and where you might need to adjust your pricing or marketing strategies. And when it comes to expenses, tracking every dollar helps you identify areas where you might be overspending, uncover potential savings, and make more informed decisions about where to invest your hard-earned money. Chapter 4. Separate personal and business finances. Let's talk about boundaries, but not the kind you set with your in-laws. I'm talking about setting healthy boundaries between your personal and business finances. When you first start out, it's tempting to use your personal bank account and credit cards for everything. But believe me, this will quickly turn into a bookkeeping nightmare. It's like trying to bake a cake with all the ingredients mixed together before you even start. Messy and confusing. Instead, open a dedicated business bank account and get a business credit card. This creates a clear separation between your personal and business transactions, making it infinitely easier to track your business income and expenses. By keeping them separate, you'll simplify your accounting, make tax time a breeze, and gain a much clearer picture of your business's true financial performance. Chapter 5. Manage your cash flow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business. It's the constant flow of money coming in and going out, and mastering it is essential for your business's survival and growth. The key to managing your cash flow effectively is to keep a close eye on two things: when your payments are due and when you expect money to come in. This means staying on top of your invoices, sending timely reminders, and following up with clients who might be lagging behind on payments. On the flip side, you also need to be aware of your outgoing payments. By having a clear picture of both your incoming and outgoing cash flow, you can anticipate any potential shortfalls and avoid the dreaded cash crunch. Chapter 6. Understanding Profit and Loss. Now it's time to talk about the heart of your business's financial performance, profit and loss. A profit and loss statement, often called a P&L, is simply a snapshot of how much money your business is making. That's the profit part. Versus how much it's spending. You guessed it. That's the loss part. This statement takes into account all your revenue streams, like sales, services, or any other income you generate. It also factors in all your business expenses, such as rent, utilities, marketing, and the cost of goods sold. By subtracting your total expenses from your total revenue, you get your net income. Chapter 7. Budgeting for your business. Let's talk about budgets, but not the kind that make you want to run for the hills. Creating a budget for your business doesn't have to be a dreadful experience. In fact, think of it as a roadmap to financial success, a way to take control of your money and guide your business towards your goals. A budget is essentially a plan for your money. It outlines how much you expect to earn and how you plan to spend it over a specific period, usually a year, quarter, or month. Start by forecasting your income based on past performance and realistic projections for the future. Then, list out all your anticipated expenses, categorizing them to get a clear picture of where your money is going. The beauty of a budget is that it allows you to identify potential problems before they arise. Chapter 8. Keep records for taxes. Taxes. I know it's not the most glamorous topic, but it's a crucial part of running a successful business. And trust me, the more organized you are with your record keeping, the smoother tax time will be. Think of it this way. Accurate record keeping is like building a solid foundation for your business's financial house. It ensures you're paying your fair share of taxes, claiming all eligible deductions, and avoiding any unwanted surprises from the tax authorities. So, what records should you be keeping? Start with the basics: income and expense reports, invoices, receipts, bank statements, and credit card statements. Basically, any document that reflects your business's financial transactions should be neatly organized and easily accessible. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick with it consistently. Chapter 9. Hire an accountant or bookkeeper. When needed. As your business grows and becomes more complex, there may come a time when you need to call in the reinforcements, and that's where a skilled accountant or bookkeeper can be a lifesaver. They can help with tasks like managing payroll, reconciling accounts, preparing financial statements, and ensuring you're compliant with all tax regulations. Start by outsourcing small tasks or projects to a freelancer or bookkeeper a few hours a month. This can free up your time to focus on what you do best, running and growing your business. Seeking professional help with your finances is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of smart business ownership. Chapter 10. Review your finances regularly. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, from understanding the basics of accounting to managing your cash flow like a pro. But here's the secret sauce, the ingredient that ties everything together: consistency. Just like you wouldn't go months without checking your email inbox, you shouldn't let your business finances go unchecked for extended periods. Make it a habit to review your finances regularly, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or even annually. During these reviews, take a deep dive into your income and expense reports, analyze your cash flow statements, and review your budget to see if you're on track. Regular financial reviews keep you informed, accountable, and empowered to make proactive decisions that support your business's growth and success. Outro. You've got this. And there you have it, 10 easy steps to mastering business accounting. It's all about breaking it down and staying consistent. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple business tips. Thanks for watching.